But caulks need to be refreshed minimum every 5 years or so, and you really need to start thinking about it about every 3, because as we walk along here and take a look, this one's doing okay, but now look at the difference here. This is like a rubber strip that's supposed to be, it's like the rubber strip around your window on your car, weather stripping, right? Around the outside the door of your car on the inside. So you have this right here, but you can see it starting to crack. And then eventually what happens is, due to more exposure, it starts to shrink and go away. What happened up there is it just completely shrunk up and went away completely. So every time it rains, and we have some photos from when we were first here, you can press on the top of that metal and water will come out. Well, if it'll do that, that means the water's inside the wall. So we're not sure how far down this wall is soaked or anything else.